In this video, I want to show you how to permanently remove activate Windows, go to settings to activate Windows watermark on Windows 10. If you look at my window, you can see here the notification, the watermark here. If I should go to my desktop, you can see it here, activate Windows. Go to settings to activate Windows. To do that, if you have the Windows key, you can go to settings and input the key to activate it. However, if you don't have the key, I want to show you how to remove this watermark. To do that, come to Start, right click and click on Run. Then here, type regit, that is registry editor, and click on OK. It will open a window like this. Then come to this folder called HK local machine, expand it. Come to System, expand it. Then you will see current control set, expand this also. And you come to Services, expand it. Then scroll down, come to SVC, click on it. When you click on it, make sure you are at this part, this very part. This is the part, make sure you are here. Computer, HK local machine, system, current control set, services, and SVC. Then click this Start, right click it and click Modify. So come here, this value data, whatever value you found there, replace it with 4. Put 4 there and click on OK. Then we can now close this page. Now, to finally remove this watermark, you need to restart your system. So to restart, come to Start, click on Power and restart your system. After I restarted my system, you can see that watermark is no longer there. So this is how to permanently remove activate Windows watermark from your Windows 10. Thank you for watching.